What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. My name's the Rusty Bartender, and if you're new here, we usually talk about mobile bars and make cocktails from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. Today's a special one because we are jumping on that bandwagon and we're making the viral Beericano cocktail from Instagram. First seen this morning on the Thirsty Whale Instagram account, and then Not Just the Bartender's Instagram account. So shout out to those boys, because between them they've got nearly 2 million views alone just for this cocktail. Let's get making it. So to begin with, over ice we're going to add 1 ounce or 30 mils of everybody's favorite Campari. Now if you don't like Campari, you might want to try it in this cocktail, because there is other flavors going on that are going to kind of hide the really astringent, strong taste of this Campari. We're then gonna go 30 mils of your sweet vermouth. So just a note too, I've had these sitting in the fridge and my glass has been chilled, so you want everything to be nice and cold for this cocktail for it to work. We're gonna give this a little stir just to combine the ingredients, give it a little bit of dilution. Just a quick one. We're then gonna top that up with a little bit of Italian beer. We've got Peroni, and just top it up. Another quick stir just to combine. Then this is the bit I'm most interested in. We're going to make a little beer foam. So plop some of your beer in. And it says to add a little sprinkle of sea salt. And we're just going to use one of those little milk frothers just to give it a go. Let's see how long this takes. Right, it's not long at all, but probably depends how much beer you've got in here. So let's try and top this off with the beer foam. Oh my God. Works. There you go, folks. The Beericano. Let's give this a little sip, see what's going on in the glass. Why does that work so well? That's really good. You're getting the maltiness from the beer. A little bit of salt in the foam sort of makes the Americano flavors pop, if you know what I mean. That is very drinkable. That's peak. That is elite. Give this one a go, folks. The Beericano. Cheers.